take our drive up to Nitrous Outlet in Waco, Texas. We're going to install the nitrous plate on our Titan intake. As soon as we get there, we'll give you a tour about the facility and give you an update when we're done.
What's up?
Bro, you get very now you shave.
Yeah, dude, I got tired of it.
Trying to look professional.
All right. So this is our new mid-plate design. We designed it for the Texas Speed Titan intake. It's adjustable 70 to 350 horsepower. It comes to you just like this. Solenoids already assembled with the fittings Loctited in. On the solenoid brackets, hardline is pre-bent. Take your lid off, set it down, bolt the lid back on. It's that simple. So you got two nitrous pills, and you got two fuel pills. Right now we have this pilled for 300, and we're going to bolt it on the car and go give it a try, right? Perfect. So, all right.
There you go. Now you can come back towards me.
Position right here, so it'll dodge that line. So just kind of like that. Thank you. I was worried it wasn't going to clear. Oh. Hey, Mr. Brad, feel like doing some purge tubing?
How would you like to do some on-car work? We can hook it up with the 8-inch MPT plug we can put in it. It should be.
Weekend, right?
It was always Waffle House. There wasn't IHOPs around like that, so.
No. Well, so what's new on this is
Here,
the,
hold on, let me
so
try
we
that.
build the dedicated fuel systems for these cars. This one goes in the battery tray, and recently we went from doing the standard plastic dedicated lid that nobody really likes because you know they always jam up and they're kind of a pain in the ass. Well, this one right here, it's got the O-rings built into it for seal, so you got an embedded O-ring. It's all billet, and what's cool about it is it's got the vent. It's got a rollover vent built into it. You can kind of hear it there. But what that is so here, so if we're in an application where we don't want it vented, it's got a countersink screw that goes in there and seals it back off. But in this case, we need the tank vented, and it's in an area that it's not going to be in the cabin of the car. So we're going to leave it vented that way that it don't vapor lock. So these are nice. This is what's coming standard on all of our dedicated fuel systems now. Yeah, you have the rest. I have to come in and put some clips. Oh, come on. This is what's nice about having equipment to build hoses because you can make everything fit perfect. Hoses. Well, this is specifically for the peanut. Or
This works like the rollover
Oh, it's a
vent
rollover
here,
valve, right?
but it's for the fuel tanks.
Nice.
It'll have the larger ball bearing, and it'll be the rollover vent.
this car, I'd be like, All right, so we're wrapping up the install. We got the plate installed. We got the system wired. We got the bottle line cut to fit, dedicated mounted. We put a new billet lid on the dedicated, and we've ran the fuel line. It's ready to go. They got a little bit of tidying up to do whenever they get back to the shop, and we're looking forward to seeing this thing make some passes.
Big shout out to Dave and the team at Nitrous Outlet for helping us get this system installed.